Good morning! I'm always so happy to see all of you in this Success Academy. As always, I feel very much honored to speak before wonderful Atomians. I am Lorraine Celeste Bayer, Sharon Rose Master. Napakabilis ng panahon, hindi ba? Patapos na naman ang 2024. Ang tanong, were you able to achieve the goals you set for 2024? For those who said yes, parang kakaunti. Congratulations pa sa inyo. But for those who haven't yet, may 24 days pa kayo bago matapos ang 2025, kaya habol na. Okay, this morning, I will be discussing with you one very important goal that an Atomy business partner should achieve. And that is how to become an auto sales master. Handa na ba kayo? Okay, so let's start. Can you please read the number on the screen? Do you recognize this number? This is 480,000 pesos. It's the approximate amount you can earn when you achieve your auto sales master status. That's when you achieve sales master for 12 times in a span of a year. So, sino ang gustong kumita nito sa isang taon? Pakitaas naman ang inyong mga kamay. Ayan, syempre, hindi ba? So, mga hindi nagtaas, sabi, higher. Okay. So, well, no, is it easy to become an auto sales master? Well, some had it easy, others had it difficult to achieve. Some achieved it fast, others took a longer time. No? We may have different timelines, but as Atomy business partners, we share a common ultimate goal. And what is that goal? What is our common ultimate goal? Kung bakit nandito tayong lahat, no? That is to earn passive income. Very good, no? But to get to that point, we have to grow our roots. If we have strong roots, we would grow into a large and strong tree that will bear fruits for 3 generations. Now, sinong gustong mag-harvest ng hindi isang henerasyon, dalawa, pero 3 henerasyon? Sino ang may gusto? Yung mga hindi nagtaas kanina, sana tumas na yung mga kamay nyo ngayon, ano? Ayan. Okay, now achieving ASM is the stage where we start to grow our roots. It's where we start to grow a stable consumer group. This is where everything begins, no? Sure, there are a lot of factors to consider. Okay, so as Atomians, no, we have different situations, scenarios, personalities, purchasing power, mindsets, and beliefs. But the one thing is for sure, for as long as you follow the Atomy system, you will get there regardless of your pace. Ang importante ay makakarating ka doon at lagi naman natin sinasabi, see you at the top. Makakarating ka rin doon. Okay, but of course, if you want to achieve your passive income earlier, then by all means, work at a faster speed. Bilis-bilis din, galaw-galaw din, no? Galaw-galaw para wag pumanaw, sabi nga, no? Now, plugging into Atomy's success system is another factor of our success. Napaka-importante nito. No, not everyone sees their vision right away. Others needed to join a lot of seminars before they get all fired up to do the business seriously. Nakinig kayo sa speech ni SRM Helen kagabi. No, it took 3 success academies before Diamond Master Ronnie, her son, realized that Atomy is indeed a good business opportunity. Hindi ba? So, now, it's in seminars where we convert yung mga Atomy tambay. Ayan, nasabi ni Ma'am Marina kanina, our customers to business partners. Okay? So in seminars, you get to be in a crowd of passionate goal-getters. Makakasama mo at makakasalamuha mo ang mga katulad mong matataas din ang mga pangarap. No? Dito walang kokontra sa'yo. Ewan ko na lang pag uwi mo. Kaya dapat lagi kang nasa seminar. Hindi ba? Dito kasi we support one another. Pare-parehas tayong crazy atomians. Okay. So when you witness mastership promotion, dahil nag-attend ka ngayon, na-inspire ka kagabi, or you have witnessed swan pinning ceremonies like in the last November Success Academy in Cebu, no? It will bring about that desire in you to also achieve the same. Okay. Now, achieving Auto Sales Master is a crucial milestone in our Atomy journey. Sabi ni Chairman Park Han-gil, that once you become an ASM, you are already halfway there, and that your success is already guaranteed. Okay. But first, you have to achieve Sales Master muna. Then, achieve this for 12 times in a span of a year. And then you will be given the Auto Sales Master pin. Okay. So, sabi natin kanina, an Auto Sales Master receives around 40, more or less, 40,000 in one cycle in 2 weeks. 80,000 pag isang buwan, no? Pag dire-diretso kang nag-auto sales. Okay. Now, to become Auto Sales Master, you should have auto consumers. You cannot be auto Sales Master without automatic consumers. Kapag ikaw ang kumukuha ng orders, ikaw pa rin nagde-deliver, hindi pa auto consumer yon, no? Now, your challenge now is to nurture and grow these auto consumers on both your legs, left and right. Yung iba tinatanong, then how many consumers do you need? So in general, people buy around 50,000 points, okay, in 15 days. When each auto consumer buys 50,000 PV in 15 days, you need around 50 consumers or families on each leg para mag-accumulate ka ng 2.5 sa left at 2.5 million PV sa right. Okay, now here's a list that I came up with. Okay, ayan, nakikita niyo po ba? That a family commonly buys even before they met Atomy. Ito, karamihan sa listahang to, binibili na natin, hindi pa tayo Atomian. Ibang brand pa noon, syempre, di ba? Wala pang Hemohim dyan. If you notice, wala pa yung ibang supplements dyan. Wala pa yung ibang products, pero umabot na ng 82,900 point value. So it only goes to show that a family can consume 50,000 PV and more. Question: aside from using absolute quality products, are the products truly of absolute price? Tunay nga bang budget-friendly ang ating mga produkto? Now, another list of comparison with other brands. Okay, so I just chose 5 items, all right? Those that every household buys, okay? Now, etong first column, no? Ito yung Atomy brand, and then the number of times we use the product, and then the other brand. So sa scrubber sponge, magkano per piece? 40 pesos. Gaano katagal natin nagagamit yon? 3 months, no? So yung isang pack, 1 year supply na yon, no? Now the other brand, yung sikat na dilaw na brand, na dati kong brand, 44 pesos, 45 centavos, 2 weeks to 1 month, sira na, kaya 12 times a year mong gagamitin. Now, hindi ko na ipapakita lahat ng computation. Doon tayo sa total savings per year. No? So, 373.40 centavos. Nasusundan niyo po ba ako? Okay, next, toothbrush. Yung toothbrush natin, 58 pesos, 75 centavos. No? Twice, every 2 months, nagpapalit. Yung sikat na toothbrush, syempre, naghanap ako ng malapit sa kalidad naman. Nakakahiya namang itapat yung toothbrush natin sa hindi high quality rin. So, ang sikat na soft bristles din sa market, yung letter C. Alam niyo magkano? 141 pesos, 60 centavos yung brand na yon. Now, you will be saving 497 pesos and 10 centavos when you shift. Isa-isang tao lang yan. Ilang kayo sa pamilya? Then you multiply again. Toothpaste, our Propolis toothpaste, 62 pesos, 50 centavos, 50 grams, milligrams. Naghanap ako ng Propolis toothpaste sa market. Ito ang lumabas. Letter M ang brand, 75 milligrams, mas mataas siya ng konti ng 25 milligrams, pero tingnan nyo yung presyo, magkano? 473 ang Propolis toothpaste sa labas. So if you stick with Propolis toothpaste, yan ang savings nyo. Paano ko, ma'am, hindi, compare lang natin yung common na ginagamit nila. Even so, no, may savings pa rin tayo sa Atomy. Next, fabric detergent. Oh, yung fabric detergent na kahit ilang araw, di ba, sabi ni Sir kahapon, hindi babaho, pag kahit nakababad, no? Ilang scoops yung fabric detergent natin, yung 590 per pack? 100, ilang scoops? Nakahalata yung hindi. Ayan, 100 scoops, yung 590. Now, per scoop magkano? 5 pesos 90 centavos. Sa 10 kilos na damit ang kayang labhan. Sa ibang brand, maliit na sachet ang counterpart ng isang scoop natin. So sa sachet sa labas, ilan ang ginagamit nyo para makapaglaban ng 8 to 10 kilos ng damit? 2. Yung iba 3, yung iba 4 daw. Let's stick to 2. 2 lang. 5 pa, 50 pesos na yan. So dito, 2 lang. Let's say 10 pesos lang yung isang sachet. 20 pesos yung gagamitin mo ngayon. Let's say, kasi 100 scoops tayo, kaya times 100 ka maglalaba para mas madali yung computation. No? So, times 100 din sa ibang brand. You see the savings when you switch to Atomy brand, hindi pa babara yan sa washing machine mo, hindi masusugat yung kamay mo, and all the other benefits of switching to our brand. Next, coffee. Magkano per stick? Yung Arabica mix natin, 9 pesos 45 centavos. No? Times 365 days. Every day ka magkakape. Yung iba, twice a day. For simple computation, 365 na lang. I chose a coffee na healthy coffee na malapit sa atin. Ito na yung pinakamurang binibenta. Well, kung meron kayong alam ng mga MLM companies, yung iba higher. 21 pesos 80 centavos. Now, look at the amount of savings, no, that you get, no? So ang savings natin, no, is 8,876.25 centavos, no? So pinapalakpakan yan. 5 produkto pa lang ang shinift mo, ganyan na yung yearly savings mo. Now imagine, if you shift your entire household to all Atomy brands, imagine the savings that you get. No? Pero, tapos, i-multiply mo pa yan sa number of years na gagamit ka. Lifetime ba kayong gagamit? Oh, ilan na lang ang buhay mo? Oh, times ilan yon, no? Okay, now, diba? Pero hindi pa yan ang exciting part. What about the earnings you get from PV accumulation? Okay, so you should not hesitate in introducing Atomy to everyone. Dapat walang hiya-hiya kasi ang laki ng masasave nila at dahil yan sa'yo. Dahil in-introduce mo yung Atomy, binuka mo yung bibig mo. So therefore, yung 50 families on the left and 50 families on the right consuming an average of 50,000 PV in 2 weeks is very much possible. Okay? So, but there is more to being an automatic consumer. Okay? Ayan. May requirements din. Okay? So, in order for a consumer to be classified as automatic consumer, he must know how to purchase on his own, must be knowledgeable of Atomy products, the old and new, yung laging nakaabang kung anong bago, must be an Atomy product lover, will use the products for the rest of their lives, willing to introduce the products to their friends and relatives, and knows how to register members. Dapat marunong sila niyan. Hindi yung ikaw pa rin ang gumagawa niyan. No? Okay. Now, that we have already established the benefits of changing Mart. You enjoy a healthier and safer brand at a budget-friendly price. Wala nang kukontra dun. Hindi ba? But when you change your ways, no, from my way to Atomy way, no, maraming napapahamak sa my way. Okay? Lalo na pag kinanta nyo yan. Aha. Okay. No? That's when you start benefiting from Atomy's cashback system. So we have a lot of seminars. Nagrereklamo na nga ang karamihan eh. Seminar na naman. No? Kaya walang lusot. We have a lot of avenues where we will really learn the details of the Atomy business. Siksik na tayo sa impormasyon. What we need now is absolute action. Okay? Now, for a system to work in our favor, we have to follow it. And here in Atomy, we have 8 steps to apply in our business that would greatly help in achieving our ASM status. So number 1 is, can you read? Goal setting. Now, you must know your biggest why in doing the Atomy business. Your reason kung bakit ka nandito, no? Kasi yung rason mong yan will determine your level of commitment, no? When you dream, when you set a goal, you have to be very specific, okay? So, dapat when you have a dream house, nai-imagine mo din yung itsura ng bahay mo, yung itsura ng sala, ng kwarto, ng kusina. In our life scenario, booklet. No, we wrote last night not only the goals we want to achieve, but also when we want to achieve them. Dapat time-bound. Step number 2, pakibasa, determination or commitment. Now, gaano ka nga ba kauhaw? No? Sa pag-achieve ng goal mo, no? Kung mas uhaw ka, sabi nga ng isang leader, mas iinom ka, di ba, ng tubig? Now, the stronger your why, the stronger your commitment in doing the business, mas determinado ka ngayon. No amount of rejection will demotivate you when your why is big enough. When you are doing this for your family and your loved ones, you will keep that fire burning until your goals become a reality. Okay, this is you. No? You are in control of your commitment. Kahit gaano kagaling yung sponsor na mag-monitor sa'yo, mag-mentor sa'yo, hindi niya hawak yung kung gaano ka ka-committed. Okay? Now, how much time and effort are you willing to spend in learning about the Atomy? About the business, the Atomy business? How many hours a day will you devote your time to Atomy? No, ma'am, empleyado kasi ako. Oh, last night, the Sharon Rose Master is a full-time employee. No, ma'am, matanda na ako. She is a senior citizen. So wala nang lulusot, hindi ba? Now, what will you give up in exchange for the achievement of your dreams? No? Ano ang kaya mong isakripisyo para sa katuparan ng pangarap mo, para sa iyong pamilya at mga mahal sa buhay? Ma'am Helen could have a lot of reasons. 8 to 5 job, senior citizen na, pag-uwi, pwede nang mag-rest na lang. Pagod na ako eh, di ba? Pero hindi. After 5, that's when she starts her Atomy business. Yes, I can see in her, napagod siya. Minsan nagzo-Zoom meeting kami, she's still eating. But that is commitment, no? Now, to get to your big dreams, para maisakatuparan natin yung mga dreams natin na yan, no? Start with small goals first. You have to divide your big goal into bite-sized pieces, one step at a time. Set your daily goals. So how many individuals will you meet per day to introduce Atomy? Mag-set ka, hindi yung wala lang. Diba? Dapat everyday yan. At fina-follow mo yan. Committed ka dapat. Now, how many individuals will you introduce Atomy through text? Kasi yung iba, ma'am, umuulan, ma'am, bumabagyo. Pero pwede naman mag-text from home. No, hindi kailangan sabihin ni Atomy na dapat lumabas ka para lang gawin yung Atomy business. Pwede rin from home, no? Now, huwag mamuwiwili sa small goals, okay? Iba nag-relax na eh, okay na yung achievable goals, no? You have to plan for your big goals as well. Your business partners would want to work with someone who has bigger goals, who has bigger plans. Now, when will you achieve your mastership? When will you re-challenge? When will you challenge for your higher mastership? When will you get your auto sales master pin? Number 3, list up. Okay. Now, our inventory in Atomy, hindi po yung mga produkto natin. Hindi yun ang inventaryo natin, ha? As business builders, our inventory is people. Now, this will come from our name list. Kaya kailangan mong maglista. No? Who do you include your list? Lahat ng kakilala mong nagsisipilyo. When you make your list, you have to categorize your family and relatives, your friends, your classmates, your workmates, yung mga kasama mo dati sa network marketing, yung mga nag-iimbita sa'yo sa network marketing, yung mga nagtanong sa'yo noon ng open-minded ka ba? Ayan. Yung mga nag-aya sa'yong magkape, ayan, ilista mo silang lahat. Yung social media friends mo, lagi kang tambay sa social media, ilan ba ang kaibigan mo dyan? Ilista mo sila. Okay? Then, you have to update this list. Hindi yung, ma'am, naglista na ako nung bago ako sa Atomy, yun na yun. No, you have to update your list on a regular basis. Include referrals of your members. You have to keep on adding para hindi maubos yung listahan mo na yan. Total, unlimited level naman ang marketing plan natin. Okay? Then, what do you do with this list? Itatago mo na sa cabinet mo. Hindi. Okay. Go meet all of them. Nung mga nasa listahan na yan. That leads us to number 4. You have to invite them. Okay? Step number 4, invitation. This step is very important. Walang saysayang 1, 2, and 3 na yan. No? Kung hindi mo gagawin yung 4th step. So when we go meet 100, you have to invite them. Invite them back to your centers. Invite them for a facial demo, product demo, to watch Channel Atomy videos. Ini-invite din yon kasi hindi nila alam na may Channel Atomy tayo. Invite them to meetings and seminars. Now, how do you invite? Huwag masyadong pabibo pag nag-i-invite. Simple lang. Simplihan mo lang. No? Do you know Atomy? Yan. It's an online shopping mall. Come and see and try our products. Do you want free facial? Huwag mo nang i-marketing plan naman agad, no? Lalo na pag text, di ba? Iba-block ka na niyan, isi-scene zone ka na, o kaya hindi na niya ibubuksan yung messages mo. Now, step number 5 is show the plan. Okay, we shouldn't only focus on sharing about the products, but we have to offer the business as well. We never know who wants to get out of their daily rat race and wants to try something new. No? Meron akong member, nagsabi sa akin, nandito siya ngayon. Ayan, sabi niya, Ma'am Lors, pagod na ako na lagi na lang pera ang problema. Tumahimik kayong lahat. Sinong nakaka-relate? Ayan. That's why we have to share to them the business plan, no? We usually show the business plan kailan? Maganda pag nagpe-facial demo, hindi ba? Lalo na pag naka-peel off mask, hindi na makakaalis yan. No? Kaya pag naka-peel off mask na sila, uumpisahan ko ng magbilog-bilog. Ha? Di na makakatayo yan. Now, kung marami kang i-discuss, kapalan mo yung peel off mask. Ha? Hindi agad makakauwi yan. Ha? O, yun ha, tip yun. Kaya wag tipirin ang peel off mask. Kaya road to success natin yan. Okay. Now, what do you talk about? You talk about the Mastige strategy. Ipagmalaki mo yan, wala yan sa ibang MLM companies, no? The product comparison, yung prices, sabihin mo sa kanila para alam nilang mas mura talaga, no? Our cashback system, the profit structure, okay, yung products, yung personal testimony mo, at yung mga naririnig mo sa seminars, yun ang gamit nun, no? Pero pag testimony, lahat nasa restroom. Ayan, so, yun ang gamit nun. When we listen to testimonies, i-share din natin, not only for our personal consumption. You talk about the vision of Atomy that we are a global company. That in 2022, we are already top 10 in the industry. No, 2022 pa lang. No? Ayan. So, ipagmalaki mo and then talk about your vision. Okay, bakit mo ginagawa ang Atomy business? Now, number 6, ayan, follow up and follow through. When I was starting in Atomy, I'm not very good at this, okay? Akala ko na kapag naibigay ko na yung Atomy code, yung password, yung link to the website, ay bibili na sila agad. At alam na nila ang kanilang mga gagawin. No, hindi nila gagawin yun, no? We still need to make follow up. So, follow up, sabi dito, involves checking in or providing an update. So, dapat pag nag-follow up ka, hindi next year, no? Follow up within 48 to 72 hours while their emotions are still very much involved, no? Yung excited pa sila. Otherwise, their interest will die down on the 4th day. Now, follow through is taking responsibility, staying committed, and seeing things to the end. We have to work with them closely until they become an agent, they achieve their first commission, their first mastership, until they achieve their auto sales master pin. Okay, now common mistakes new members make. They sell one time and then makakalimutan, talk about Atomy once, and assume that they already get the whole picture. Karamihan sa atin, kasi ang Pilipino, ningas kugon, no? Sa umpisa, excited. So magbibinta yan sa ang dami-daming tao, di ba? Yan, excited yan, pero hindi binabalikan. Kaya ang mga PV, pag titignan nyo, ang liliit lang. Hindi gumagamit ng 50,000 PV per name. Yun sana ang tututukan natin, no? Now, let's work with our partners closely until they become their own leaders already, until you know that they have already completely shifted to Atomy brand. Now, number 7 is consultation. Checking in on your partners to know how they are in their Atomy business makes a lot of whole difference. This step is very important. Dapat alam mo yung nangyayari. You know, this step is very important because it's also available in the 8 core daily habits. May consultation din doon. Now, eto madalas naririnig natin sa member. Lalo na pagbago, I don't know anyone, sabi. Now, check their contacts. Ask for referrals. Dig up their connections. Now, this we learned in the leaders meeting last year. Sabi, those with good financial standing, hindi naman sa nagano tayo. Di ba? But those with good financial standing focus more on products, as they probably would buy and be interested right away. But they would not be interested in the business right away. May possibility yon. Now, those who are financially challenged, economically disadvantaged, those who need extra income, talk more about the business with them. Pag sinabi, hindi ko ma-afford yung products nyo, ma'am, mahal, then talk about the business. All the more that you have to do the business. Para, sabi nga ni Ma'am Marina, nalilibre na yung consumption niya from her commissions. Okay, now ang sasabihin ng iba, I have very little group PVs. Di ba naririnig nyo yan? No? Now, these members are most likely focusing on sharing of the business, on the business plan naman. Yun ang lagi nilang dinidiscuss. Now, you have to emphasize on results of the products as well. Yung personal mong mga experiences. Now, others say, eto, pag ma'am, mag-challenge tayo, ang sagot niyan, ma'am, hindi muna kasi I still do not have business partners. Di ba? Sinasagot nila yan. Now, most probably, real talk lang. Walang masasaktan. Bato-bato sa langit ang tamaan. Wag. Magagagalit. Okay? Ayan. Most probably, you do not let them join the system. No? Hindi ka pupunta sa Success Academy kaya hindi ka nag-invite. Wala kang balak mag-Zoom meeting kaya hindi mo fino-forward yung link sa GC nyo. Sinong guilty dyan? No? You must be present and active in seminars. No? Perhaps another reason, you can't get along well with others. No, here in Atomy, we are taught to serve in humility, to be service-focused. No, higher masters say that your business will grow as big as your heart. Okay? So, the bigger your business, mas nagtathrive yung business mo, perhaps, no, mas malaki ang puso. Ayan, now, weak magnet attracts few nails, sabi nga nila. Now, do what you have to do first, then the earnings will follow. Mission before the commission. Ayan. Okay, last step is duplication. When our business partners are doing the steps 1 to 7, that is duplication. That's the beauty of leverage in our Atomy business. We get to duplicate ourselves in others. We multiply ourselves through others. Pero sino ang nagpapasweldo sa kanila? Atomy. Sino ang nagpapabonus? Sino nagpapatravel? Sino magbibigay ng kotse? Sino magbibigay ng 40 million na naka-forklift? Oo, hindi ikaw. Atomy. So how wonderful is that? No? You are a personal platform owner na walang pinapasweldo. Sang ka pa. So keep on duplicating. Now, how do you want your partners to build their business? As a sponsor, you have to assess yourself and ask these questions first. How do you act as a leader? Would you want them to be like you? No? Would you want them, would you want them to copy you? Gusto mo bang kopyahin nila yung ginagawa mo? What kind of partner do you want to have? Okay. Now, continue doing these steps until you see results. Okay, become first the person that you want your partner to be. Plug yourself first into the system and your partners will follow you. Be a good original for you to have good fruits and good duplicates. No, yun nga, be a good tree to have good fruits. Yan, no? So when you consistently stick to these 8 steps to success, you will be able to build your auto consumers and your business partners under you. Then, you will be closer to your goal to becoming an auto sales master. So, etong banner na to, we see this in seminars, no? Pero wala ngayon dito eh. Once the route is secured, the way unfolds. We have to apply all the knowledge we acquire from seminars effectively. True understanding is demonstrated through action. Baka kaya hindi ka pa gumagalaw dahil hindi mo pa lubos na nakikita ang vision ng Atomy. Dahil pag nakita mo kung gaano kalaki ang company ang Atomy, hindi ka na dapat nakakatulog. No? At pag natulog ka man, ayan, dapat Atomy ang napapanaginipan mo. Okay? So let's go back to our photo earlier. Remember that for us and our loved ones to enjoy the 3-generation inheritance, for us to maximize the benefits of our Atomy code, we have to seriously put in the work. These 8 steps should not only be in your notebooks or in your phones. They should be put into action until everything that we wrote in our life scenario booklets will come into fruition. Until we earn that passive income, until we get to live that balanced life. So, Atomians, here's to a bountiful harvest. Siksik, liglig, at nago umapaw. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. To God be all the glory. Once again, this is Sharon Rose Master, Lorraine Bayer.